Another method of integration is called integration by parts. In order to get the parts formula, we start by looking at the product rule for differentiation. When we differentiate a product of two functions, uv, we get v times du dx plus u times dv dx. If we rearrange this to give us v du dx is equal to the differential of uv with respect to x, take away u times dv dx, and then we integrate both sides, we get that the integral of v du dx with respect to x is equal to the integral of the differential of uv with respect to x, then integrated with respect to x, take away the integral of u dv dx with respect to x. This gives us the integral of v du dx is equal to, here we've differentiated with respect to x and then integrated with respect to x. We know that differentiation and integration are reverse processes. It follows that this will just be uv. Then take away the integral of u dv dx with respect to x. This last line is the parts formula. The hope is that you start with an integral of the form v du dx, which is difficult to do, and by changing it to the right-hand side, you end up with an integral which is easier to do.